A lot of water. The whole garden's flooded.
Normally, William Gravine grows corn and beets in his backyard garden. But as he realizes how deep the water is, it dawns on him that growing vegetables may not happen this year. What was your reaction when you saw how flooded your yard got?
I was pretty shocked. 'Cause never seen it. The whole garden and stuff just covered.
All this water from a strong storm that hit parts of Oconto County on Thursday evening into Friday morning.
And I was sitting on the back porch, and all of a sudden lightning and thunder started. It was thundered so loud it literally shook the house.
The water in Little River ending up in places it's not supposed to be.
It looks like Colorado Rapids.
An inconvenience and possibly a safety concern for drivers in the area. What would be your advice to anybody who's driving around here today?
Caution. Caution, you don't get stuck.
We just showed you video of people going through flooded roadways, but on South Porcupine Lake Road, we are seeing people go through this initial part of the road that is flooded, but once they reach the bridge over there, it's more intense on that side of the bridge, and people are literally taking their cars and turning around. Over in Searing, a similar story. The water's so powerful in some places, it washed out parts of the road. Longtime residents of the area saying they've never seen flooding this bad.
Absolutely shocked. It's just amazing. All the water. It's just unbelievable. I've never seen so much water in the fields and across the roads.
In Oconto County, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.